They told me the golden age of YouTube was over. They said the 2026 algorithm was impossible to crack. But today, I have proof they were wrong. One of my 7 channels, Popcorn Time, just crossed the finish line. It's officially monetized. But here's the thing most people won't tell you. Applying for the partner program in 2026 isn't just about hitting a button. One wrong move, one reused content flag, or a mistake in your AdSense link, and months of hard work can vanish in a single rejected email. I've managed a network of 7 channels. I've seen the wins and I've felt the rejections. Today, I'm pulling back the curtain. I'm going to show you the exact step-by-step process I used to get Popcorn Time approved in record time, including the new 2026 settings you must enable if you actually want to see that first dollar in your bank account. Are you ready to turn your passion into a paycheck? Let's start with step 1, the pre-check that saves your channel from instant disqualification. Before you even think about hitting that apply button, there are 3 things the algorithm checks instantly. If even one of these is off, you're looking at an automatic rejection. First, 2-step verification. It sounds basic, but in 2026, YouTube won't even let you view the application without it. Second, 0 active strikes. Check your studio dashboard. If you have a community guideline strike, stop right here. You have to wait for it to expire. And third, the content audit. Look at your most popular videos. Are they 100% yours? In 2026, YouTube's AI is hypersensitive to reused content. If you've just re-uploaded clips without adding your own voice or unique value, delete or fix them now before a human reviewer sees them. Now, let's talk numbers. There are actually 2 ways to enter the program now. Tier 1 is early access. You only need 500 subscribers and 3,000 watch hours or 3 million shorts views. This unlocks things like super thanks and memberships. It's great, but it won't give you that sweet ad revenue yet. Tier 2 is the full monetization goal. This is what I just hit with Popcorn Time. You need 1,000 subscribers and either 4,000 watch hours or 10 million shorts views. This is where the real money from ads starts rolling in. Once those bars turn green in your Earn tab, the Apply Now button finally appears. When you click Apply, you'll see 3 steps. Step 1, review base terms. This is the easy part. Read them, agree, and move on. Step 2, sign up for Google AdSense. This is where most people panic. If you already have an AdSense account from another channel, like I do, link your existing one. Do not try to create a second account under the same name, or Google will flag you for a duplicate account and lock your payments for weeks. Step 3, get reviewed. Once step 2 is done, your channel goes into the queue. This is the hardest part, the waiting. Once you hit submit, your channel goes into the review queue. But don't be fooled, it's not just an AI bot checking your videos. While automated systems do a first pass, human reviewers will actually look at your channel as a whole. They aren't checking every single video. Instead, they focus on your main theme. Does your channel have a clear identity, like AI reviews or movie recaps? Your most viewed videos. These represent your channel to the world, so they must follow every rule perfectly. Newest videos. They want to see what you're making right now to ensure you haven't switched to low-quality content just to hit the hours. Video metadata. They check if your titles and thumbnails are misleading. If you have clickbait that doesn't match the video, they might reject you for deceptive practices. The review can take anywhere from 48 hours to a full month. It's the most stressful part of the journey. But once that email finally arrives saying, "Congratulations, you've been accepted," the real work begins. Most creators think that once they are monetized, they've won. But I've managed 7 channels and I can tell you, getting monetized is the easy part. Keeping it is where the real battle starts. There are hackers, reused content bots, and security loopholes that can take your monetized channel away in seconds. So, here is my question for you. Do you want to see exactly what major steps I took the second Popcorn Time got approved to protect my revenue and secure the channel from hackers? If you want the security blueprint for 2026, let me know in the comments. I want the protection guide, and I'll drop that video next. Don't forget to subscribe to AI Unlocked to keep your creator journey ahead of the curve. I'll see you in the next one.